This is the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Let's unbox it together. So this phone comes in two different colors. There's Moonstone, which is like a black. This is the Jade finish, which I think looks absolutely stunning. When we open the box, it's pretty simple inside. You'll find the phone, the product documentation, a SIM card removal tool, and the USB-C cable. There's no power brick included in this one. Google hasn't done that for a while, so hopefully you have one kicking around the house. The phone looks very similar to last year's folding model, which was a really good phone, so I can see, like, if it's not broken, don't change it. But under the hood, there are a couple differences thanks to that new Tensor G5 processor. A lot of the features have to do with AI, and the AI is actually useful for photography skills, but also something new called Magic Q, which basically tries to assume what you want to do next based on what you're currently doing with your phone, so you'll get helpful pop-ups. The phone is slightly thicker than the Pixel 10 when it is folded. On the inside, you'll find an 8-inch display. On the outside, a 6.3-inch display. Another improvement over the Pixel 9 Pro Fold from last year is the dust resistance. They redesigned the hinge on the fold, which improves the durability and protects your folding phone against dust. So that's a very quick introduction and unboxing of the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. For a deeper dive, you can hit up my website, geekingout.ca. But if you have any specific questions about this phone, make sure to mention them in the comment section so I can keep that in mind as I'm working on my YouTube review of the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold.